wall tile laying robot is an automated robot for indoor wall tile laying, which can be used in residential and office buildings, hotels, shopping malls, and other scenes. The robot adopts the thin sticking technology of tile glue, and the tile specifications are 300 by 450 to 600 millimeters. Through autonomous navigation, positioning, path planning, automatic glue application, and laying wall tiles, it can realize automatic wall tile laying operations. Precision is built into every brick, with superior performance in vertical alignment, joint height difference, and joint width. This robot ensures every detail meets the highest construction acceptance standards. No compromises, only excellence. Double the efficiency. Time is money, and this robot knows it. With a blazing 4.14 square meters per hour construction efficiency, it's twice as fast as traditional methods and designed for continuous, long-term operation. Labor-saving innovation, say goodbye to the heavy lifting and tedious manual work. This robot's intelligent construction capabilities drastically cut down labor requirements, reducing costs and freeing up your workforce for other tasks. Equipped with an automatic navigation system, the robot moves autonomously with pinpoint precision, expertly locating and paving each position. Experience the future of construction where quality, efficiency, and intelligence meet to deliver exceptional results.